I'm taking a video.
How many people were on board, Jeff? 2. Both accounted for.
Oh my God, be careful. The pin might go down on us, bro. Look at this. Be careful with the pin.
Careful with the rope.
Yeah, watch yourself.
Watch your line. Yeah. What? You know what you spot the leak? I saw him say it. Look what he's got. He's got it right with his rhythm. You never hit anything? Oh, yeah. Yeah? Yeah, I know.
They come. Oh, well, he can't do nothing now. Let me go, but there's nothing. I would rather go over to you and be careful for the rope. That rope goes down. Billy, look, they can't fish you.
I don't know, how come they can't just look on it?
They had no choice. It was sinking.
Oh, they hit a piece of wood. Wow. This is a nice boat. I feel so bad.